What's going on, guys? It is me, your boy, the Boosted Bagel. We're back here on a beautiful Friday for a quick unboxing. Now, this is a shoe that there isn't too much hype around it. I really like the shoe. I love the color blocking on it. I love the whole silhouette. And I'm sure, well, obviously, yeah, you're gonna see by the title, but these are the Adidas Nite Joggers, sneakers and stuff exclusive. I tried to win these in the raffle, but yeah, that didn't happen just because I always take L's. But this, let me cut this. Whoa, one hand in it again. Let me use elbow. Yeah, these, whoa, where are you going? Where are you going? All right, we're in business. Boom, even blocked out my address today. Anyway, okay, so I tried to get these back in March. They released on March 9th, but couldn't get a hold of them because I always take L's and raffles. It's just impossible. But I was searching on sneakers and stuff website the other day, and I just happened to come across the Nite Joggers. They only had them in size 4 and size 7.5, and I just happened to be size 7.5. So hit that order button. Oh, that sucks. Oh well, at least it's not a special box. But anyway, hit the order button, and I'm glad I did, because these are one of my favorites out of all the Nite Joggers. Whoa, this whole box is just munched. Yeah, that sucks. I wonder if this was a return. Anyway, let's check them out. This is going to be my first reaction to them too, because I haven't seen these in person. And wow, those are good. Ooh, I'm digging those. Really digging those. It's got quite a bit of boost. Nice and soft. It's got that really cool solar or lime green color blocking on it, along with the pink, green stitching right there. These are great. I love all the different colors. I guess they themed it after New York City nightlife. I guess clubbing and stuff. I'm not into the club scene at all, but these are badass, man. Of course, this is reflective. This piece is reflective right here. I think the stripes are reflective, and the laces are definitely reflective, as well as this little blue blotch right here. But yeah, the materials are great. I really like the, I wouldn't really call this prime knit. It's not that stretchy, but the suede, it's like a hairier suede, pretty nice. It's not, definitely not as smooth as the ZX4000 4D suede, but anyway, actually this gray suede right here is way softer than the black suede, but it's pretty cool. Looks like they might have on the insole, I don't know if that's a map of New York City. My parents are from New York City, but I'm not. They might be able to tell me. But yeah, these are rad. I really dig these. Oh, almost dropped them. Kind of clumsy. But yeah, these are really sick. I'm definitely looking forward to wearing these. I don't know if I should switch up the laces. Maybe see if I can find some solar lime or whatever that color is, neon green. It's one of my favorites, by the way. If you see in any of my past videos, I have sunglasses with that color stems on them. But yeah, I really like this shoe. The nylon ripstop feels great. I think it's a nice touch to the rest of the shoe. It's just, I mean, I know all your like off-white shoes and Cactus Plant Flea Market, Vapor Max uses nylon ripstop. It's a cool material. I know some of Adidas' other shoes, I think the Aniki and the I5923 might, yeah, I'm pretty sure they do. But no, this is a great shoe. I'm not bummed out. Can't wait to try these on. I'm sure they're So they're really comfy. Definitely like the outsole. The tread is very cool. I'm pretty sure this right here says the brand with the 3 stripes in Morse code. Because on a newer Nite Jogger, it has it on the back heel cup right here, and it has the same Morse code, which I also think is on the tongue right here. I definitely don't think it's Braille. But anyway, it looks great. Definitely not disappointed. I'll try to get some on-foot shots to put them in this video. I'll probably have to film those at another time. Wow, I didn't even know that the aglets on the laces are pink. Of course, it's not focusing. Oh, that's pretty awesome though. This is a great looking shoe. I'll get some maybe slow-mo on-foot shots and put them in at the end of this video just for your enjoyment. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this quick little unboxing. And drop a comment and let me know if there's any other sneakers or any other content you'd like to see. Yeah, that's pretty much it for me. I'm signing off. I'm gonna go put these bad boys on and wear them in. So you guys have a great night. Check out some of my other videos if you feel so inclined, and check back for the next video soon. All right, peace.